Yeah, guys, I was trying to walk out to call my mom, but this is what happened when I tried to step out. The birds flew right by the door. And they're not gonna go away because we took down their nest. And we took them down because that's all they did. Whenever we would try to come up, to come into school or come out. And these birds are very territorial. Katrina's here. Cat. Michael's mom. I don't know. Watch out for the birds! They won't let me step out. I was trying to call my mom once when I came out. They started flying. They're like, nope, you can't come out. You gotta go back in. These birds are vicious. Goodness.